Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video I am cleaning out our couch. It needs to be vacuumed and spot cleaned, and also you will see this small hole. Well, it's kind of now gotten a lot bigger. Anyways, it needs to be sewn up, so I'm going to attempt to do that. And then also you will see a lot of appearances from Jack. This video is really short, so let's get started.
So now I have moved all of the bottom seats and vacuumed under there, and I'm going to move to spot cleaning the cushions. Now I haven't put the one over here back because the zipper broke on it, so I'm going to have to do some work to get it to hold until I can get a new zipper. So for now I'm just going to spot clean these.
So to spot clean the couch, I am just using some water mixed with a little bit of dish soap. After I went and did all of the spot cleaning, now I'm just going over it with a lint roller. So now I'm going to start on sewing this hole up. It has gotten a little bit bigger than what it started out being, so I just grabbed a needle and thread and I'm just going to stitch this up. So here you see me just using the scissors to cut some of the extra fuzzies that have built up on the couch cushions. So here I got to looking at the couch cushion, and surprisingly I was able to put the zipper back on the track and fix it. So that was such a relief that I didn't have to end up putting a new zipper on it. So yay, I got that fixed. And now I am just doing my best to kind of fluff up the back cushions of the couch. So guys, this is real life. Doing some cleaning while the kids are playing right in the middle of it. Here comes Jack on his tricycle. He got this for his second birthday just a few months ago, and he's just the sweetest thing on it. I love when he plays on his little tricycle.
And here is the couch after vacuuming, lint rolling it, and spot cleaning it. As you can see right here, it's still a little dark. That's where I got some of the big spots out. And down there was the one that I showed. It's a little bit darker because it's still drying, but the cushions look a lot better and it is clean. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of Jack popping in, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.